Hey guys, and welcome back to another CoinForm video. So today we're looking at the new Coolpad Lumina. This is by Boost Mobile. So this is very nice. I just picked this phone up yesterday. This is the only one they actually had in the store, and I had to go to another store that's usually not mine. So I had to drive a little further away, but hey, it's pretty cool. I got it for you guys. So this is, as you can see, Boost Mobile says unlimited data, talk, and text. Coolpad Illumina. And while this box has seen better days from Walmart, so I did pick it up at Walmart. So this one has a 5-inch touchscreen display, talk time up to 12 hours, 8 gigs of ROM, and 1 gigabyte of RAM. So it's gonna have 8 gigs of internal memory and 1 gig of RAM. This one is rocking a 1.1 gigahertz quad core processor. So let's go ahead and see, and I'll tell you the final price that I got this phone for and if it's worth it. So now on the side you get nothing. On the back is where you really get more information on it. So it says Coolpad Illumina 5-inch touchscreen display. This one's rocking a 2150 or 2150 milliamp battery. Talk time up to 12 hours, which is pretty low. I mean, it has a small battery, so can't complain too much. It's a 3G/4G LTE with HPUE, 1.1 gigahertz quad core processor, of course, 8 gigs of ROM with 1 gig of RAM, Android OS. It's a really low spec camera, so 5 megapixel main camera with a 2 megapixel front camera. So if you guys want, I probably will test out and see how bad that looks. And of course, no contract right there. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open. All right, guys, so now that we got it open, as you can see, they put a very thick layer of glue, so I had to just rip the whole thing off. So let's go into it. Very, very cool. I'm kind of excited, guys. I mean, super low budget phone, you know. If you ain't got that much money, your kid's going back to school or something. Whoa, look at that. I definitely like the box. What is this? Check this out. Let me just put this back in here. Man, I gotta give shout outs to Boost for their boxes, man. It's pretty cool. They're just they're cool. I like that whole box in a box thing. It's very, very cool, guys. So look at this. Very, very cool. I like that. So it says www.coolpad.us or US. Very, very cool, guys. So nothing much than just a little Coolpad. As you can see, there's nothing really. Just a website there. So let's go ahead and pop it open. See what we get. But shout outs to Boost and Coolpad for their cool little box. I like that. I usually keep these boxes for decoration or something, you know. Wow. Look at this phone. Let's get more into that later. Let's see what we have inside the box. Oh, wow. So I'm pretty sure we could have a micro charger. Yep, so it's a micro charger right here. And then you have, of course, your power brick. Very, very nice little power brick. And then, of course, you get your, whoops, sorry. You also get your battery here. I was going to say, sorry, I bumped my camera. How do you open this thing? You have to break this? There we go. And this just pops off like that. Alright, enough of that. So here's the battery, guys. Let's pop it open. So we need it to do the first boot up. We'll put that aside. I'll put this aside too, since we have that already. So let's see. Coolpad battery. Let's see, let it focus. There we go. It's a 2150 milliamp battery, of course. So not bad. Let's go ahead and see the phone now. Wow, it's pretty freaking thick. Wow. I don't know if you can hear that. It feels kind of chalky, plasticky. I don't know. It feels weird, but there it is. It's pretty thick, guys. I don't know if you can see that through the camera, but wow, this phone is freaking thick. Look how thick this thing is. Reminds me of CTE, man. Like the Tempo or something like that. Wow. So as you can see, here's the buttons: back button, home button, and multitask button. Your front-facing camera, earpiece, proximity sensor. On the sides, you do have your power buttons. On the top, you have your 3.5mm headphone jack. Nothing. So this is the volume rockers and the power button. Then on the bottom, you just have your micro charging port. In the back's probably the coolest thing of this phone is that camera has a little like red accent. And then it says Coolpad, and you also have a speaker grill right here and a mic right there. So let's go ahead and pop this open. All right, guys, so there it is. Very, very cool. So hide those numbers from you guys just in case. But as you can see, it does say Sprint and then Coolpad. Very, very cool, guys. I like the red accent. You can put a 32 gigabyte SD card in there if you would like, but overall it's pretty cool. Let's pop the SD card in there later, and then we'll test that out. But let's do the battery and let's give it a little juice and see how that goes. I really like the red accent, guys. It looks nice. Very, very cool. So let's go ahead and power up. Like I said, it's crazy thick foam. This does have a different operating system. We'll see that in just a little sec. Alright, guys, so it's done. It definitely took a little bit longer to set up for some reason, but it's probably because I don't have any service on it. I just hooked it up to Wi-Fi, but here it is, guys, a Coolpad. Very, very nice. So let's go ahead and look at it. Remember, it's running a different type of software, not just random Android. It is rocking the Android Go. Alright, there you go. As you can see, the Go. So very, very cool. As you can see there, Google Go. Or is it Google Go or Android Go? I think Google Go. But you can see there it is. So it's supposed to run a lot smoother and everything. Not much bloatware, that's for sure. Let's see how much storage it has. So remember, it comes with 8 gigs. Wow, this thing's really taking me back. Look at that. I clicked it like 5 seconds ago. So here we go. As you can see, wow. So 2.86 gigs used of 8. So it used already about 36 gigs of my internal storage. So I have about 5 gigs left or so. As you can see, most of it was the system. Why is I having a hard time focusing? There we go. So most of it's the system. So I do have about 5. Let's see how much it was, like 5.08 gigs free. So let's look at the service, what it's running. Wow, it does have gestures. That's pretty cool. So there we go. Coolpad. Let's see, system options. Is that it? So wow, look at that. So it's actually, that says updated to Android 8.1.0. So not just 8.0 out the gate. So overall, I think it's pretty okay, guys. Definitely takes me back. You can definitely tell there's some lag there. Of course, this phone, guys, it retails for $39.99. Actually, it's $80 at Boost Mobile. Currently, they have it on sale for $39.99. I actually picked this up at Walmart for $39.99. So for 40 bucks, if you just need a basic phone for like browsing, making calls, yes, it's gonna take a little longer because, guys, like I said, it's a budget friendly device. This is what the channel revolves mainly around. So it's not like a flagship phone like an iPhone XS Max or the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus or the Note 9 or anything like that, of course, because those phones are priced like 1,000% more, you know. So not bad at all, guys. What do you think? Maybe it's good for a first start Android phone for maybe some kids that just want to do some light gaming. Like I say, you won't be able to do crazy gaming, but hey, it's pretty cool. So look at that, YouTube Go even. So I'll do more reviews on the Go feature of this, and we'll see how it does, if it can stack up, if you can even game on this. I'll definitely do a gaming test and a camera comparison. Let's just do a quick camera comparison, see how that looks. Good God. All right, let's see. Wow, definitely looks crazy grainy. Not even gonna lie to you, but that's far away. Wow, it does have HDR. Wow, I'm so dark in this picture, guys. It's just basic doesn't have any. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you can see this, guys, but I cannot see myself. I'm like, I haven't been unlocked, and I'm pretty light skinned. Not, I wouldn't say really light, but brownie skin. Geez, man, what is this? Wow, I think my laptop camera is better. So definitely, you're not getting this phone for the camera. But yeah, guys, so thank you for watching my unboxing. I will do a review and more reviews on this phone if you would like. Please comment, rate, subscribe. This is Dragonic Warfare sign off. If you want to support the channel so I can keep bringing phones like this and better ones to the channel, you can donate via my PayPal in the description below, or you can check out netbuddy.co. They offer true unlimited AT&T hotspot for only $60 a month, but if you use my link and promo code Sanchez45973 at checkout, you do save $5 off your monthly bill. Check that out in the description below. Thank you, guys.